I am ready for love. Why are you hiding from me? I quickly give up my freedom to be held in your captivity. I am ready for love. All of the joy and the pain, and all the time that it takes to be held in your good grace. Lately I've been thinking maybe you're not ready for me. Maybe you think I need to learn maturity. Think